In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to merge your video footage in Windows 10 computer. So right now I'll show you the easiest way to combine or merge your video footage. On your computer, open browser and simply search for CapCut and open CapCut.com, and here click on Edit Video Online. Here now you have to create a free account to edit your videos. Once you successfully created your account, you will directly jump into this editing dashboard. Here first of all we have to upload our videos, so click on upload and I'm selecting upload file, and now go ahead and upload videos from your computer. Once you've successfully uploaded your videos, in this left-hand menu you will find those videos you've uploaded. Now it's time to add video footage into this timeline. So click on the video that you want to add first, and here you can see the first clip added. Now to add second video, click on the second video footage, and here you can see the second video footage added successfully. And that's how you will be able to add multiple video footage, and also you can trim your video from here. So let's trim this video. As you can see, video trimmed. You can also add transition between two clips by clicking on add transition. From here you'll be able to select a transition. Okay, once your video successfully merged, it's time to download the video. So click on export, and here just click on download, and you can change the video name, you can change resolution, you can change quality, you can also change the video frame rate, you can also change video format, and then just click on export, and here you can see the video is exporting. And here we can see the video has been successfully exported and the video is downloading. So that's how we can actually merge or combine videos in our Windows 10 computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.